Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel Brian256. In this video tutorial I'm gonna guide you on how to set up high-tech VPN on your phone. Okay, this VPN is available on your Play Store. Okay, so in case you're new here, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Okay, drop me a like, drop me a comment. In case you find any challenges in setting up this VPN, kindly reach me out in the comment section and I will help you out. You shall be in position to use this VPN, secure your online browsing and keep it safe. Okay, so let me show you how to set it up. So after you take note of the way it looks, after you downloading, just have to click to open it up. My voice is not so clear right now because I'm not feeling so well, but I think you can hear me out. Okay, this VPN is very fast, okay, on YouTube. Even it can work on Facebook when securing your internet. So let me first try to disconnect it and I show you how to set it up. So for the first time, when you have just downloaded it, you make sure that you first update it to fetch the servers that are gonna help you to secure internet connection. You click right here where you're seeing this word update. You click on it to update and fetch servers to secure online connection. And the other thing that you have to do is to click on location. For the location, I refer you to leave on auto select server, because this one is gonna help you choose automatically the server that suits your network and your country, because this one works in the entire world, works everywhere. Okay, it is valid for all countries while securing your internet connection. I think you understand what I'm meaning. So come and click here. Okay, so what you need to do, look through and choose out your country. Okay, choose out your country and click on it to start and secure internet connection. So in case you're in Uganda, I refer you to use this, but in case you are in another country, kindly choose out your country and click on it. Even make sure that you choose out the right SIM card that you're using within your phone to secure your internet. So let's take this Airtel. So what you need to do is to come and click on this and wait a bit. As you can see, it has successfully connected. What you need to do is to go ahead and test it. Okay, it is successfully connected. Let me go on YouTube and I show you that it is very fast, and it is very fast on Facebook as well when securing your internet connection. Let me show you.
Hello guys, and welcome back again to our
so
channel.
the other thing that I can tell you, in case it is acting to be slow, first switch on your flight mode, your airplane mode, sorry, for about 2 minutes and you restart the VPN again, or you can consider rebooting your phone and you secure your internet. Thank you so much for watching. I think you have seen the way it works. I say now, in case you don't understand anything, reach me out in the comment section.